Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make extra crispy and extra roasted street dosa in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to proceed, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the promotion of my channel. Please do support my channel. Let's get started. To make street dosa, take 2 cups of stout rice or store rice. To this add 1/4 cup of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of black gram, 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seeds. Wash all of them neatly with 3 waters and soak them for 5 to 6 hours. Soak the rice and dal in enough water so that they may be soaked up well. Our rice and dal are soaked very well. Now transfer the entire ingredients into the mixer grinder and grind them into a smooth paste. I have grounded the batter into a smooth paste. Now transfer it into the mixing bowl. Now keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours or overnight for fermentation. This is our fermented dosa batter. See, holes are formed very well. See, the holes are very well formed. It is very well fermented. To this add 3 tablespoons of semolina, 1 teaspoonful of salt. Mix all of them well. Add 1 glass of water to this, or 1 cup of water. I have mixed the batter homogeneously, so keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. I have added 3 to 4 tablespoons of semolina to this batter. This is the secret of street dosa. The semolina gives extra crispiness to our dosa. Here one more secret ingredient I am adding is sugar. I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar to this batter. This gives very good color to our dosa. It enhances the color of our dosa. It as well acts as a yeast in this batter. So I am not adding any baking soda or baking powder to this batter. Mix everything into a homogeneous mixture. Keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. I have kept the dosa pan for heating to pour dosas. On this pan, pour half a teaspoon of oil and spread the oil all over the pan like this. I am using tissue paper. Spread and remove the oil. Now pour 1 teaspoon of water on it to reduce the heat of the pan. Let us check the consistency of our dosa batter. It should be like this. We have to maintain this much of consistency in our dosa batter, and our rava semolina is also soaked the water and puffed up well. Now add water on the dosa pan. Keep the flame in high and remove the wipe of the entire water. Take 1 big ladle of batter and pour on the dosa and spread it like this. Brush the oil on the top of the dosa. Spread all over the dosa. Keep the flame in high We have to roast the dosa by turning the pan like this. We have to roast the dosa from all the sides. Now scrape the dosa from the bottom and roll it like this. See, our extra crispy dosa is ready. Now again spread the oil all over the pan and wipe it with the tissue paper and sprinkle the water on the pan. Again wipe the entire water. Every time we have to repeat this process to get the extra crispy roasted dosas. Now take one more ladle of batter and spread it on the pan. After the surface of the dosa is dried up, then only we have to brush the oil on the dosas. These are the secrets of our street dosas, street dosa makers. Whenever we are pouring the dosas, we have to keep the flame in low, and after spreading the dosa, we have to keep the flame in high. You can even bake the dosas with butter or ghee. Now our extra crispy street side dosas are ready to eat and serve. Eat these dosas along with dosa palli and chutney. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. I will show you by breaking one dosa how crispy it is. See, our dosas are very crispy, yummy and eye-catching and very well roasted.